Also, there were some different kind of indicators for procurement monitoring and performance. My objectives before the course was to know more about the methods of measuring the procurement process, also to more dive into the setting the strategy for efficient procurement. I was taught different kind of analysis for strategy, and also there were some different kind of indicators for procurement monitoring and performance. So I think by attending this course, my objectives have been met. When I go back, as I work in the policy department of procurement, the strategy will be essential, and I think will be quite helpful for our organization for the efficient operation in the future. Okay, my consultant was Bill Blakemore, and he is such a brilliant man. And he based on more real life experiences, which really helped us to understand the real procurement in different industries. He was quite knowledgeable about the different kind of cases regarding the public and private procurement. Yeah, it was so convenient to come to the place where the course took place, and it was so amazing. Yeah.